How's it going, everyone? Welcome to another episode. Today we're going to be covering another day of training in Santai. Hope you can enjoy the show. So now I begin. Let me get this. I'm trying to write this. Boom. There you go. Boom. Another morning, another day. Gotta take the trash out. Let's go train. Alright, thus concludes my first half of my Thursday training. It's Thursday, yes, Thursday. And now I'm gonna head home, order some buns, shower, take a nap, and then I should do productive stuff. I'm gonna see what I get into. I catch you in the room. I just play video games. So I'm This is one thing I really recommend you do the moment you can. Get some LED lights and just string them up around the place. Add a little bit of life to the room, because I mean, get me another one of these sunset lamps and put it on that wall. But man, I'll tell you something. Already these two little lights right here add so much. If it wasn't for this room would look just like some nasty green shaded crack den, because they got these green tints on the windows, and upstairs instead of green they have blue, which looks a little nicer, but still pretty crack den-y like. But at least you put up these lights. It looks like a vibe, bro. Looks like a party. Yo, you guys gotta check out these commercials. Hold up.
GQ สเมลบล็อก2โดยนวัตกรรมใหม่ที่ช่วยลดกลิ่นได้ดีที่สุด GQ บล็อกกลิ่นหายสบายทุกกาวคุณพ่อคุณแม่สวัสดีครับวันนี้ผมจะมาขอลูกสาวคุณพ่อครับไม่แต่คุณคะฟังเขาก่อนแต่คุณพ่อครับผมรักลูกสาวGQ สเมลบล็อก2โดยนวัตกรรมใหม่ที่ช่วยลดกลิ่นได้ดีที่สุด GQ บล็อกกลิ่นหายสบายทุกกาว
How come we don't have commercials like that back home? That was amazing. Holy shit. That was funny. So I'm about to head out to class. And look at these improvements I've made. Now the room actually looks pretty cool. And it's raining. It's raining. Oh, they got the fan going. That's efficient. This is when we're doing clenching. And this is when you're getting nice and personal with your classmates. This is when you want to be using that anti-fungal ointment that you brought. So the way it works in class, you do some basic moves that the instructor gives you, and you do it for about 2 minutes, and then the instructor gives you a different set of techniques to try out. And when it comes to intensity, you can either go on the left ring for light intensity or the ring in the middle for a harder intensity. So just be careful when you get into this, because there are injuries that happen from clenching, and you got to be careful if you're new to it. It's very easy to hurt yourself. I saw one guy break his collarbone, and it was fucking nasty. So you've been warned. And then at the end of class, we sit in a circle and we do a round of calisthenic exercises. This is a good time the way that we were doing calisthenics is we went around a circle and everyone picked an exercise to do, and so you kind of got a mix of a whole bunch of shit. But for the most part, people were just doing abdominals, and this is a good time to focus on your core. And at the end, we do planks. Oh, fuck you.
And my
How do I do this?
left ankle is the...
There we go. And then at the end, we just do planks. Everyone does a plank, and we count to 10, and it goes around the entire circle until everyone has a chance to count to 10. And then after that, class is over.
And my left ankle is demolished from the little stuff we were doing this morning. That destroyed me.
You're putting in the sky again?
Dude, I love sunsets like that. Where it reflects off the clouds and it's all golden. Everything looks golden.
Especially with the low-hanging wires.
Yeah. Yeah, it's beautiful. Is that up to regulation, you know, in your country? Would they be okay with that?
I think that was common in Ireland maybe in the 1980s, maybe 1970s, 1980s.
I feel bad for the electrician that has to organize that.
I imagine how much electricity is stolen by this locals. Oh, it's just connected into the wires, yeah, all over his eye. Actually, I didn't even think of it.
Yeah, check it out. My room went from a crack den to a fucking chill spot. Look at this. Dude, I want to vibe in here. I want to grow in here. Oh, there's the moth. Found him. I thought he left. That concludes this week's episode. I hope you guys were able to enjoy. Give me a like, comment, or a subscribe if you are enjoying the content. You want to give me some feedback, I'd really appreciate it. And I will see you guys at next week's episode. Peace.